everybody, I'm going to edit this. Everybody, this is one of my best friends in Dallas. This is Ed Dees, a very accomplished songwriter and a great musician, and probably one of the best, if not the best singer in Dallas. So, y'all hold on, I love this man. It makes me cry every time I hear this song, so I may shed a tear.
Hovering by my suitcase, trying to find a warm place to spend some time. Heavy rain is falling, and I hear your voice calling in the night. It's a rainy night in Georgia, a rainy night in Georgia. I believe it's raining all over the world. Neon signs flashing, taxi cabs and buses passing in the night. The distant moaning of a train seems to sing a sad refrain to the night. Well, it's a rainy night in Georgia, a rainy night in Georgia. I believe it's raining all over the world. Sometimes I wonder, but it still comes out the same. No matter how you think of it, think of it and do your own thing. Find myself in a boxcar, so I take out my guitar to pass some time. Late at night, when it's hard to rest, I hold your picture to my chest. I'm alright. It's a rainy night in Georgia, such a rainy night in Georgia. I believe it's raining all over the world. Raining, 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 raining all over the world. Raining, 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 raining all over the world.
Well, there you have it, folks. I'm in tears. Told the kid to do it. Never fails. I love you, Ed. Was that not beautiful, y'all? And he's for hire.
For hire.
Thank you, everybody.